Welcome to Pixpa, the all-in-one website builder loved by creatives worldwide. Whether you're creating a stunning portfolio, launching an online store, or starting a blog, Pixpa makes it simple and intuitive. Start your journey with a 15-day free trial and explore everything Pixpa has to offer. Once you've signed up, your first step is to choose a template that fits your style and vision. With over 200 stunning options, Pixpa offers designs for every creative and business need. Best of all, you can switch templates anytime, giving you the freedom to experiment and find the perfect fit. Next, personalize your template. Begin by selecting a color palette that matches your brand identity. Then, choose a curated font pairing to give your site a polished, professional look. After setting up your template, you'll land on the dashboard, your command center for building and managing your website. It's designed to be simple and intuitive, giving you quick access to all the tools and features you need. From here, let's dive into the website section. In the website section, you'll manage menus, pages, and content. Add new pages, galleries, links, or even a blog to your main menu. For essential pages like a privacy policy, add them to the footer menu. Organizing your menus is easy. Just drag and drop items to rearrange them. You can also group items into folders or drop-down menus to keep your site clean and professional looking. Let's add a new page. You can start with a blank canvas for complete creative freedom or choose from hundreds of customizable preset page designs. Pixpa's no-code page builder makes creating and editing pages a breeze. Each page is built using modular sections, giving you complete control over the layout, content, and design. You can effortlessly add, rearrange, duplicate, or delete sections to craft a page that's uniquely yours. Let's quickly add a section. Pixpa offers a wide variety of pre-made sections to simplify building your page. Let's add a headline section to your page. Once added, you can customize its content easily. You can also use Pixpa's built-in AI writer to generate text that aligns with your brand and style. You can fine-tune the section design style and also experiment with different layouts to find the perfect look for your page. There are even more design options available to help you refine each section's appearance. Adjust colors, tweak layouts, and modify other visual elements to match your vision. When you're done, save your changes and preview the page to see how it looks before moving on. Let's take a quick look at the website options panel. It's loaded with powerful tools designed to enhance and optimize your website. We will cover all these features in another video. Now, let's refine your website's look in the design section. Start by personalizing your website with your logo, site title, and brand assets. With Pixpa, you can effortlessly switch templates with a single click, changing the entire look and feel of your site whenever you need a refresh. Next, customize your color palette. Choose from pre-made palettes or edit individual element colors for a perfect match with your brand. Typography is another key part of your design. Pick from curated font pairings to set a cohesive style or customize fonts for specific elements like headings, body text, or buttons. For advanced customization, Pixpa's Style Editor lets you tweak every visual detail of your site, from headers and buttons to gallery layouts and animations. Want even more control? Add custom CSS or upload your own fonts for a truly unique design. Once you're happy with your changes, don't forget to publish them to make your updates live. Pixpa is more than just a website builder, it's your all-in-one business solution. Set up an online store, manage client galleries, and publish blogs, all from one platform. With built-in marketing tools and SEO features, Pixpa helps you grow your audience and achieve your goals. Let's explore the settings section. This is where you'll manage important details, like your business information, subscription, site activity, languages, image watermarks, and more. We'll dive deeper into the settings section in a separate video. Whenever you need assistance, our friendly customer success team is always available via live chat to guide you. In a hurry to go live or want a professional touch? You can hire a Pixpa expert to set up your website for you, ensuring everything looks perfect. You can view your website at any time to see how it looks to your audience. When you're ready, upgrade to a Pixpa paid subscription. Our affordable, all-inclusive plans include everything you need, including a free domain name for the first year. Once you've upgraded, connect your domain, and your website is live. Ready to bring your vision to life? Start building your website today with Pixpa.